Hey guys, Matthew here. I hope everyone is having a good holiday season. I have the Razer Hammerhead USB-C ANC earbuds here. These aren't wireless, so anybody who doesn't have wireless earbuds, and especially now that most phones are getting rid of the 3.5mm headphone jack, these are going to be a great option for you. I also have the Libertone, I believe that's the name of them, ANC earbuds, so later on I'll do kind of a comparison between these and those, but this is just a quick unboxing and walkthrough of the Razer Hammerhead USB ANC earbuds, so stay tuned. Okay, so here is the box for these earbuds. On the back you kind of have a little detailed look at the earbuds. You have USB-C, which is nice. You have your microphone, inline microphone, along with your play, pause, and all that. Those features right here. And then you have the earbuds themselves. And what's nice is that these come with Comply memory foam ear tips. So a lot of earbuds don't come with these. You have to go to Best Buy or wherever and buy a set for your earbuds. But these actually come with them. So that's really good. And these are ANC, which means active noise cancellation. So if you want to, let's say, listen to these music on a plane and you use these, hopefully for the most part they will drown out some of the noise, not all of it obviously, but some of the noise because they have ANC. I bought these through Razer's website for $99.99. You can also get them through Amazon, and I believe Best Buy also has these for $99.99. Sometimes there are sales on these, but anyways, let's go ahead and just quickly unbox these. So it's really cool because this actually uses a Velcro system kind of thing. There you go. So now we'll open this up, and here are the Comply memory foam ear tips right here. These are supposed to help with noise cancellation, but also with better sound, deeper bass. If you get that better seal, which these will kind of mold to your ear, if you get the better seal, you'll get better sound and deeper bass. So anyways, we'll put that to the side. And then you have a nice little note from Razer themselves right here, but we're here for the earbuds. You get a nice little case right here. I don't know if anybody's going to want to use the case, but you also have some ear tips as well. Probably small and large ear tips. I'm assuming the medium are already installed with these. Well, let's go ahead and take this out. And then here you have more kind of your replacement. So if you want some more Comply memory foam ear tips, you can use this and get a replacement for them. And then you have kind of your quick start guide, which I don't think there's a whole lot to do with quick start, but it gives you kind of what each of the buttons do, play, pause, skip tracks, go back, all that kind of stuff. And then half on the very back of the book you get obviously your green Razer logo stickers. So I will probably not be using these, but anyways, it's nice that they at least give you stickers right there. So we'll go ahead and put the box, and let's just go ahead and put this in there as well. So this is all you get with the packaging, is you get the earbuds right here, you get a little case, soft case, you get some regular ear tips, and you get a pair of Comply memory foam ear tips right here. So we'll go ahead and slide these over, and here are the earbuds. The first look at these earbuds, they look nice, they feel good. I can tell you that right here it feels like it's metal. I'm not 100% sure if it's actually metal, but it definitely feels metal, which is nice. These go in your ear, so earbuds like that. Here is the remote for your earbuds, so volume up, volume down, multi-function button right here. And this is to do active noise cancellation on, off. And then in here also is the built-in mic. You probably can't see that, but there is a little hole right here for a built-in mic. You keep going down, and here is your USB-C port. So you can plug it into your USB-C phone. So there you go. I've got it into the Pixel 4 XL right here. Right here, further down on one of the earbuds is the microphone. So this is for better microphone. You have your remote right here, and then you have your microphone. So this will be closer to your mouth to make better calls when it comes to people hearing you. They won't have to hear your muffled voice through the inline mic right here. Again, I got these through Razer's website for $99.99. You can also probably find these on Amazon's website and Best Buy's website for $99.99 as well. These look very nice. I am very pleased with these. Just the look. I will go ahead and test these out, and then later on I will do a review on these and a comparison between these and the Libertone active noise cancellation earbuds as well. Thank you guys for watching. This has been my Razer Hammerhead USB-C ANC earbuds unboxing and walkthrough. I will test these out, and in a few weeks after the holiday season I will go ahead and do a review on these and a comparison. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then everyone, stay safe. Peace.